Looking at the key fob inside of the Hyundai Palisade. Similar style fob to a number of other Hyundai vehicles. I think it's time for an upgrade though. But functionality-wise, you've got the lock button, unlock button, remote start, horn or panic alarm, and then you'll always have the option for opening or closing the trunk from the fob. You might also have these other two buttons, and this is going to be for the remote smart parking assistant. Using remote smart park assist is a very straightforward process. You're just going to make sure that you've remote started the vehicle first. So it's lock button once, push and hold that circle button within a few seconds. From there, along the outside of the fob, you've got the forward or backwards button there. I want to move the car forward. So if you push and hold the forward button now, watch this. Straightens the wheels out and pulls the vehicle out of the space. You can release it at any point in time to pause it, but let's just keep the vehicle going. And out it comes, and you'll be able to pop into your driver's door at that point. But you can also reverse the process. So let's say if you needed to reverse into a tight space or even pull into a tight space, underground parking, you're going to hop out of your vehicle, and same idea, we're going to go backwards now. So you're just going to push and hold that back button. It's the hybrid, which is why it's nice and loud, but look at this. You can release once you're happy with the parking job there. And we've technically got that parking job complete. So you can push and hold the button here now in order to essentially turn that remote start off. And then the vehicle is locked and it's turned off. Using the different functions of the fob though, is pretty easy. So in order to be able to remote start, you're going to hit the lock button once and then push and hold that circle button for a few seconds. So lock, push and hold within a few seconds. And the vehicle has now started up. Doesn't sound like it, but lights are flashing because this is the hybrid version of the Palisade. To cancel remote start, you're just going to push and hold that circle button for a second in order to cancel the remote start process. When the vehicle's locked, if you're in the regular gas engine, the fuel door will also be locked. Inside of the hybrid, you do have to use the button along the door. I'll show you in a second to unlock. You can get into the trunk a few different ways. So you can push and hold the button here in order to be able to open up the liftgate. But there's also the option for the smart trunk. So as long as you've got the key fob on you, lock the vehicle. You have to get away from the vehicle for a few seconds, walk up towards the back end, and then eventually you get to that right spot. You'll have this happen. You can hit the lock button at this point if you wanted to pause the process, but smart trunk. You've got the flexibility of being able to adjust the liftgate height here too. So all you're going to do, drag the liftgate or push it up and down, however high or low you want it to sit. Once it's set up, you're just going to take the button here and push and hold it for a few seconds. You've got that chime, and now it wouldn't open up past that point. You can use the key fob in order to close, or button push there to close. And as the door is closing, you can also use the button there under the near the S in Palisade in order to be able to pop the trunk door open as well. There's also a pretty neat key fob trick that you can do, and that's rolling the windows down. In order to do it, you're going to push and hold the unlock button. So just go push and hold, and watch this. Down they go. You can release it in order to pause it, but push and hold again in order to continue the process. And that's all four windows. It's first, second row, driver, passenger side, but unfortunately not the sunroof. Some international models might let you push and hold the lock button in order to be able to roll them back up again. Unfortunately, this Canadian spec, Calligraphy trim, so it's the highest trim level, doesn't have that available. If the key fob inside of your Palisade has died and you can't actually unlock the vehicle, get inside, etc., what you want to do is use the emergency access key here. So it's not built into the fob, it's its own unique thing, but you're going to use that emergency access key in order to get to the mechanical keyhole right there. But you've got this little cover that's blocking it. So all you need to do, pop the handle, just slide your fingers back, and there's a little hole you're just going to push your finger through in order to release the cover and pull down. You can see there, you've got your mechanical keyhole. So all you're going to do is insert and twist to unlock the door. Once you do, you just need to hop inside and then use the fob here in order to be able to start the vehicle up. Now, while this is starting up, if you want walkthroughs, like you want to know how to use all the different steering wheel buttons, go through the cluster, the head-up display, the infotainment, etc., You'll find full walkthroughs down in the description of this video. But actually using these features, if you go to Setup along the bottom, that's going to pull you up to this screen. From this screen, you've got your vehicle options here. Driving assistance, there's an available dash cam integrated, seat options, options for your lights. Big one here, welcome mirror and light. Do you want your side view mirrors to automatically unfold, or fold in, I should say, yay or nay? You can adjust that, and then some door options. When do you want the door to automatically lock or unlock? With 2-press remote unlock, that means that you hit the unlock button once, it's going to unlock just the driver's door. Push again to unlock all of the doors, or with it turned off, it's just going to open up all the doors. Do you want the vehicle to automatically unlock as you approach? You can toggle the power liftgate off, so you can still power release, you just have to manually lift it up yourself. You can control how fast or slow it opens up. You can control the height, so there are a few unique height levels that are available. But you saw there, you can also select your own unique height. And then there's your smart liftgate. So that's the one where you walk up towards the back end of the vehicle with the fob on you. It'll automatically open up. And then do you want to open the windows down, or I should say roll them down using the key fob there. But there are a lot of other features that are available inside of the infotainment system. So like I said, full walkthrough down below. But that's how you use the key fob inside of the redesigned Hyundai Palisade.